In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in DocHub. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so it's easy to follow, even if you're new to the platform. Duplicating a page in DocHub is useful when you want to reuse the same layout, form page, or document content without rebuilding it from scratch. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. This will bring up the official website in the search results. Once you see the correct DocHub link, click it to go to the site. Make sure you're selecting the official page so you can safely access your documents and account tools. When the website opens, go ahead and sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you may be taken directly to your dashboard. If not, just complete the sign-in process and continue. After you're in, you'll land on the DocHub dashboard, where your recent and saved files are available. From the dashboard, open the PDF you want to work with. This should be the document that contains the page you want to duplicate. Once the file is open, give the editor a moment to fully load so all page tools are visible and ready to use. Next, look to the far left side of the top toolbar and click the Page Controls icon. This icon is represented by 4 small squares. When you click it, the page thumbnail sidebar will open. This sidebar shows small previews of every page in your PDF, making it much easier to navigate through the document. Now scroll down through the sidebar until you find the exact page you want to duplicate. Take your time here, especially if your document has many pages. Using the thumbnail previews helps you confirm that you've selected the correct one before making changes. Once you've found the page, right-click on that page thumbnail. A menu will appear with available page actions. From that menu, select Duplicate. As soon as you do that, DocHub will create a copy of the selected page within the same document. That's all it takes to duplicate a page in DocHub. If you're working on forms, templates, or repeated sections, this can save you a lot of time and keep your document formatting consistent. After duplicating the page, you can continue editing the new copy just like any other page in the PDF.